if people with arm racing walk through that arch, I'm going to put you down.
Yeah, I walked Wooster finish of Spring River last
No
year.
bikers through here. Oh my God.
So you have to get used to it.
Your first place woman, number 781.
All right, great! Good job. All set. Pull your tag for me. Good job. There's water and heat, and there's food under the shelter for you. Great job. Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's medical over there.
The guys here. You brought the guys here.
Yeah, really.
787.
Great finish.
Pull your tag for me. Good job. There's food under the shelter for you.
I saw that there's a chance of rain or a thunderstorm, and whenever they say a chance, that means I'm not taking that chance. Thunderstorm.
790. Bob Picorni. Strong finish. Nice run.
Good. Nice
Good job.
finish.
All done. Pull your tag for me. Awesome job. There's water and there's food under the shelter.
Well, sometimes that just means 20% of the area. Wow, man.
100% of our area. We laid all the radiator chairs and just, our downliner and the tent. Like, that's what we were going to do. So we had to pick them all up.
Oh my.
We didn't have blankets. We had to put clothes on.
I would have it. I agree with that. I learned years ago that I should run.
818. Great job, George.
Finish.
Good job.
Looking good.
You're all set.
Strong finish, too.
Good job. Pull your tag.
Placement of it all, do you know?
7.
Whoa!
Tag for me.
Sure.
Awesome. There's heat and water and there's food under the shelter for you. Good job.
Looking good.
Great.
You're getting close. Run for the kick. Here comes number 758.
Good job.
That lady in
All done.
yellow is not
Pull your tag. Did you have your bid? Oh, awesome job. Good job.
Great run, Tom.
George, you should work that course. Tough. Like tough.
Was it tough? I haven't run it.
George just killed the course and he said it was tough.
Nice.
Nothing straight.
No, nothing straight.
I think George is tough.
So is that a new course record?
Oh, my God. I'm like,
What's that shape? That's really good job. On a mile plate.
When the lady comes through in bright yellow, she's not finishing. It's her first lap.
She started late.
She started late. I don't think she has a bib on, actually.
Yeah. When the yellow comes through, just let her keep going. But we'll figure it out.
Somebody's kicking.
Yeah, her name's Sherry. Yeah.
That's fine.
We're going to give her a finish.
So I skipped the click
I
on
think it was 37 minutes.
Started. But
We'll make some.
I'm going to hit a lap on my watch.
Especially if she had to get a hotel room. You know her name?
Sherry. Did she get a hotel room to come out here?
I'll tell her to see me after the race.
She got a hotel room and then she passed it and went
It was hard.
25 minutes out of her way and then came back so she could
We had phones with her.
Oh, that's awful.
Joe's phones on the road.
There weren't any when I got here, so unless he went back out after I got here. There were cars on the road to block this from pulling in.
Looking strong. 5-6 minutes, you're done.
Great finish.
Number 769.
Nice finish.
Come on, sister, smile!
780.